When in doubt, turn to the color wheel. The color wheel is something that even professional makeup artists use, and it can be used to guide your makeup choices. The color wheel helps us find colors that have harmony or that work well together to give a pleasing effect to the eye. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about those that apply for your makeup and specifically for eyeshadow. Okay, so let's take a look at this color wheel. There are 3 different types of color schemes that can be derived for makeup from the color wheel. The first one is what we call monochrome. Monochrome is variations from light to dark of a single hue. Hue, by the way, refers to the color itself without any added whites or blacks to lighten or darken it. It is intense and pure. And monochrome looks are used for intense makeup looks. They're created taking that one color and creating light and dark shades of the same color. So a monochrome look would, for example, consist of a green eyeshadow, which can range from light green to dark green, but you're not going to go to another color. You're going to stay with the exact same color. The second color scheme is the analogous color scheme. These are 3 colors that are side by side on a 12-part color wheel. The analogous color scheme can be used to create a fashionable look, used mostly for statement evening looks. Here you can see how an analogous color scheme can be paired together using 3 adjacent colors on the color wheel. The third color scheme is complementary. These are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel, and these are the most exciting because they increase each other's intensity. Now let's get specific about what kind of eyeshadow would look good on your particular eye color. So the first one is if you have blue eyes. If you have blue eyes, you want to use a complementary color on the color wheel, and that would be any copper, bronze, chocolate, really any brown. And because blue eyes are cool toned, any warm color would work best to bring attention to your blue eyes. On the other hand, a blue eyeshadow would detract from your iris. Your eyes would kind of get lost in the eyeshadow. Now, if you have green eyes, look for colors that have red, like purple, pink, burgundy, and these colors bring the green eyes into focus and really make them stand out. If you use green eyeshadow all around, it will not be flattering. Brown eyes, on the other hand, have more flexibility because no color will compete with the color of your eyes. Brown eyes are very versatile, and you can use anywhere from neutral eyeshadows all the way to cool blues and emerald greens to bring out the pop in your brown eyes. Now, if you have hazel eyes, to bring out the golden inflections in your eye, you want to use a gold eyeshadow. But if you want to bring out the green, you want to use those red-based colors that we talked about before for the green eyes. And finally, the gray eyes. Now, gray eyes are very cool tone, and they can have blue and gray. So what you want to do here is use the same color scheme as the blue eyes. I hope this was really helpful to you, and you now have a better idea of how to go about finding the right eyeshadow shade for the type of look you're going for based on your eye color. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified every time I release a new video. And share this video with others who may find it helpful. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.